Hi friends and welcome to you in new video. I hope you're fine. Before start, don't forget press like and subscribe. Here we go. Thailand, formerly known as Siam, it is a country located in Southeast Asia on the Indo-Chinese peninsula, bordered by Laos and Cambodia to the east, the Gulf of Thailand and Malaysia to the south, the Andaman Sea and Myanmar to the west. Thailand is divided administratively into 75 provinces, which in turn are divided into neighborhoods and municipalities, in addition to the capital of the Thai kingdom, Bangkok, which is a special administrative region and the capital and the largest city of the country. Thailand has an estimated population of 66 million people, which ranks it 20th globally according to population, also known by its former name Siam, and this was the official name of the country until May 11, 1949. The word Thai means free in Thai language. Derived from the same word, Thai, the word given to the population, meaning Thai, some minorities present in the country use the word Siamese when referring to the country's population. Constitutional monarchy. The country is ruled by King Rambax, the 10th king of the Shakrai dynasty, who has owned it since 2016. Thailand ranked 51 globally in terms of total area, with an area of about 513,120 square kilometers, and ranked 20 in terms of population, 64 million. The capital and largest city is Bangkok, which is the political, commercial, industrial and cultural center of Thailand. About 75% of the population are ethnically Thai, 14% are Chinese Thai, and 3% are Malay. The rest belong to minorities that include Maon, Khmer and various hill tribes. The country's official language is Thai. The main religion is Buddhism, which is practiced by about 95% of the population. Thailand experienced rapid economic growth between 1985 and 1996, and is now considered an industrialized country. Tourism also contributes greatly to the Thai economy, and there are approximately 2.2 million legal